Welcome to the world of exploration. Welcome to the world of learning. Let's start exploring. Let's start learning. So, let's start with a beautiful and profound quote. That is, we behold what we are, and we are what we behold. Rightly said in the Bhagavad Gita. Now let's move on. So now we are going to start off with the vocabulary. This would be the second session of the vocabulary part, the last lesson by Alphonse Daudet. Now, wrapping. Now, when do we make use of the word wrapping? Wrapping is used whenever we are talking about striking rapidly on a hard surface, especially in order to grab the attention of, it could be to grab the attention of anyone, but herein we are talking about to grab the attention of the students. So for instance, the teacher sometimes what the teacher does is that with the duster he just strikes the duster rapidly on a hard surface, on the desk, on the table. As that is done in order to grab the attention, in order to attract the attention, in order to attain the attention of the students, of the learners, right? So wrapping means striking rapidly on a hard surface, especially in order to attract the attention. Counted on. The second word is counted on. Yes, you heard it right. It means relied or depended on. So when you tend to depend on someone, when you tend to rely on someone, that means counted on. That means I counted on someone, on A or X or Y individual. That means you relied on A or X or Y individual, right? It could be anyone. That means you rely on someone. It could be that you depend on someone, right? Then primer. And it refers to an elementary book for teaching children to read. It refers to an elementary book for teaching children in order to read, right? That's a primer. Now, thumbed at the edges. As its name only suggests, that with the pages worn out or soiled due to frequent handling, that's why it's known as thumbed at the edges. At the edges you get to see how the edges are worn out. So with the pages worn out or soiled due to frequent handling, handling of those books, sometimes what tends to happen is that the pages get torn or they get worn. So we are talking about thumbed at the edges. Now, moving on to thunderclap. As the name suggests, it means a crashing sound of thunder. What? A crashing sound of thunder. Wretches. Wretches refers to villains or people deserving contempt. So, wretches refers to villains or people deserving contempt. Sar. Sar is a river in northeastern France and western Germany. So, Sar is a river in northeastern France and western Germany. Thank you. Happy learning, keep your ambitions high, and you will all be able to achieve all your ambitions. Thank you. Happy learning. Stay positive, stay creative.